How to use Kastar Ceramic tile sealant. There are two ways. Textured paper construction method, usually for uneven surface tiles. First, clean the tile joint. Second, scrape and remove the tile joint to 2 mm. Third, use masking tape along the tile. Fourth, squeeze a small volume from the nozzle tape and discard. Fifth, squeeze the ground into the tile joint. Sixth, repeat grounding on the place cross. Use a ball-shaped towel to press into the groove. Seventh, remove the masking tape, then finish it. Another way is direct construction method. It's simple and convenient, suitable for large area construction. First, squeeze the ground into the joint directly. Second, use a ball-shaped towel to press into the groove. Third, remove the excess ground with the blade scraper.